So now let's see how we can work around with Spherize filter inside of GIMP. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto filter right here, and then I'm going to go around over here onto distorts. And over here you can see that Spherize is an option. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that I can go around and change around the angle of view right here, and you get a Spherize like effect. You can also go around and change around your curvature, as you can see right here, just like this, by increasing and decreasing it right here, and then change the angle of view as well. So you can go around and change around the amount right here and decrease it, as you can see right here, or increase it out over here, just like this as well. So you got the curvature right here that you can go around and work around with, as you can see right here, and you can also go around and change around the angle of view right here. The resampling method right here is linear, as you can see. You can go for cubic, or you can go for no hello right here. So these are small changes that actually seem right here. So you can these are just different ways on how the resampling is done. You can also go around over here, change the mode from radial to horizontal, as you can see right here, and you can also go around and change to vertical. And once you do that, let me just go around onto horizontal, and you can change around the angle of view, as you can see right here, by squeezing it or by decreasing it, as you can see right here. Then you can go around and change around the curvature over here, just like this as well, by decreasing it right here or by increasing it just like this. So apart from that, you can work around with the amount over here, just like this as well. You can decrease it or increase it out right here, just like this. So once you go around and do that, you can change around the opacity, just like this as well. So you can go around and see the before and after right here as well, and utilize the split view to see the before and after, just like this as well. So if I were to go around and press OK, then you can see that the Spherize effect has been applied. So that is how you can work around with the Spherize filter inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.